Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites: stats, resources, and a secure base. First, check your 5 core stats and raise any below 12 because class upgrades require baseline aptitude. Next, collect the 3 key resource types: wood, herbs, arkstones, so you won't interrupt the upgrade cycle. Once done, set a safe camp with a bed and storage near your grind area. This saves travel time and ensures consistent respawn. Make sure to tag resource nodes and mark priority crafting recipes before proceeding. You continue by implementing a sustainable rhythm that yields steady upgrades. Adopt a 7-day cycle: 5 days focused on targeted grinding, 1 day dedicated to crafting and upgrades, and 1 day for quests or rest to bank progress. This prevents burnout and maximizes returns. Prioritize skill trains. Pick 2 complementary skills each week and rotate to compound bonuses. Once that's in motion, optimize your route to hit 3 resource hotspots, 2 enemy camps, and 1 merchant so you conserve time and maintain supply flow. You finish by executing the final upgrade sequence with precision. Start 3 focused crafting sessions spaced to allow cooldowns and resource regeneration, so each attempt has maximum success chance. Before each session, verify stat thresholds, ensure consumables are stocked, and check tool durability to avoid mid-upgrade failures. If something goes wrong, do not panic. Roll back to the last safe save or camp, re-equip optimized gear, and retime the upgrade for low server load. This fix often recovers progress without a full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.